Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to remove forgotten password, pin or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy A17. This is going to work out for both the 4G and the 5G version, and the process is quite simple. First things first, we would have to put our Samsung Galaxy A17 on recovery mode, and then from there we are going to hard reset the device, which will actually delete all of the information and data stored on your Samsung Galaxy A17, including the forgotten password, pin or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy A17. And now, to put your Samsung Galaxy A17 on recovery mode, you have to turn it off, but you cannot turn it off by simply just going over to the top and pressing on the power logo over here. Once you click on power off, you'll be required to enter your pin, password or pattern again, but there is actually a workaround for this, and that is to get a cable just like this one. This is actually a USB-C to a USB-A cable. You want to go ahead and connect one end of the cable, that is this one, to your laptop or PC. Your laptop or PC doesn't have to be doing anything. Just make sure that your laptop or PC is turned on, and then make sure you connect this end of your cable to your Samsung Galaxy A17. Now, once it begins to charge, we are now going to proceed by pressing on some key combinations, which will now enable us to power off the Samsung Galaxy A17. So basically what you want to do is to come over here and then long press on the power button and the volume down button until it turns off, and immediately it turns off, you want to move your hand from the volume down button to the volume up button while still pressing on the power button. So we are going to do that together. First of all, you want to just tap on the power button so that the screen will come up, and now long press on the power button and the volume down button together. Just hold on it, and then once it turns off, move your hand to the volume up button now, just like so. And then once you see the Samsung logo, now release both buttons now. So just like so, you just want to release both buttons, and your Samsung Galaxy A17 should go into recovery mode. You want to give it a couple of seconds. Now you can see it is on recovery mode. Now from the recovery mode, what you just want to do is to use the volume up and the volume down button to navigate through all of the options over here, and then use the power button to select any of the options. So you just want to navigate until you get to the wipe data and factory reset option over here. Go ahead and select that with the power button, then scroll down again to the factory data reset. Go ahead and select that as well, and then just give it a couple of seconds, and you're going to see the data wipe complete, indicating that we have now successfully hard reset our Samsung Galaxy A17. Now at this point, you just want to go ahead and select on the reboot system now, so that it is going to automatically turn on using the power button, and then just give it a couple of seconds. Now it should actually reboot your Samsung Galaxy A17. This time you will now be allowed to set up your device from start again without entering your pin, password or pattern. Okay, so just like so, we are now taken back to the initial setup page. So just go ahead and click on the start button. Also select your language if necessary, then agree to all of the terms and conditions over here by clicking on agree to all. Click on agree. You'll be asked whether you want to set up your device using another phone, that is another iPhone or Android phone. Just click on setup manually over here. And now you want to connect to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. So click on OK, then select your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. Mine is over here. I'll select it. Proceed to enter your Wi-Fi password as well. And once you're done, you just want to click on the connect button over here. Now it is connected. All you just have to do now is to click on the next button. Give it a couple of minutes. Now after about a minute, you'll be taken to this page asking you to enter your forgotten password, pin or pattern. But obviously we do not have that. So instead of entering your password, pin or pattern, you want to go ahead and select on the use Google account instead. Now you're going to get the option to use Google account instead if you have your Google account, that is your Gmail, signed into your Samsung Galaxy A17 previously. Just go ahead and select the use Google account instead, then enter your Google account inside of this input over here. Once you're done, click on the next button over here, and then enter the password to your Google account. Once you're done entering your password, click on the next button at the bottom over here, and as long as your Google account and your password is correct, you should now be taken to this page. Now here you can go ahead and sign into your Google account again. You can as well choose to use another Google account. Basically this is just for the setup process. You can also choose to skip this particular page if you don't want to sign into any Google account again. In my case, I'll just go ahead and use my previously used Google account. Proceed to click on the next button over here and then enter my password as well. Once you're done, just click on the next button and you're good to go. Now you can now continue with the setup process. So click on I agree. If you're asked whether you want to copy data, just go ahead and click on don't copy. Then click on next. Now you have to choose whether you want to enter a new fingerprint, password, pin or pattern for your Samsung Galaxy A17. In my case, I don't want to add any other fingerprint, pin or pattern anymore, so I'll just go ahead and just select on the skip option at the bottom over here, then click on skip anyways. Scroll down and then click on accept, then click on turn on backup or don't backup if you want to back up your Samsung Galaxy A17. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on turn on backup, click on continue, click on turn on. You can also choose to sign into your Samsung account. If you don't have a Samsung account and you don't want to create one, you can as well just click on the forgot password or don't have an account, then just click on setup letter in settings, and now you just want to go ahead and click on skip, agree to all of the terms and conditions, then click on agree. Click on agree as well. Select your theme, whether it's a light or dark theme. I'll go with a light theme. Here are some recommended applications for you by Samsung. You can just download them if you want by clicking on the next button over here and click on go to home. And just like so, we have now successfully removed the forgotten password, pin or pattern on our Samsung Galaxy A17. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.